Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share with you my latest DT kit from Paper Studio, and this is for the month of July. I have ordered lots of paper packs. So the first one I'd like to show you is the latest one. This is Meadowbrook Farm Basics. This was the newest release in the month of June, in the mid-month, and then this paper pack is all about fruits and flowers. So I ordered three things with this one. So this one is embossed die cuts, farm tags and tickets. And this one is farm basics embossed die cuts. So first let me show you the paper pack here. Look at the beautiful and vibrant colors here and the beautiful sentiments. As usual in the 12 by 12 paper pack, at the back you always get lots of sentiments. And they also have a 6 by 6 in the same. So go and check it out if you are too much into cards, especially the smaller sizes. Then each paper sheet number is labeled as alphabets, and then at the back they give this beautiful strip which can be used to make borders or even mat your sentiments. Look at this flower pattern. I'm really in love with this vibrant colors. The tags and the tickets in the sheet can also be cut out separately to give a beautiful effect. And then at the back there is a beautiful plaid here. The third one are the peaches, I guess, and the peach colored roses. And then they have this ledger kind of thing, or the order forms at the back as a background. And then again we have this beautiful fruit at the back. And then we have these beautiful 4 by 6 cards which can be perfect to mat on your cards, just to be as a showcase for this one. And then you just add borders or sentiments and then you're done. Look at this vibrant flower print. Sorry about the glare, it's just the lighting in my new craft room is a bit of a problem. I'm still adjusting to it. And look at this one. Amazing colors and beautiful. It has a bit of a vintagey feel to it. I don't know if the camera can capture this. And look at these beautiful blackberries. So pretty. Amazing. And then the papers repeat themselves. And now let me show you quickly the die cuts. So the die cuts really are pre-cut for you. They have 4 sheets of 6 by 8 in size, and these ones have a beautiful glaze to them. You can just cut these out, like just pluck them out from the paper, and they are ready to use on your cards and layouts. And this one is fruits with flowers. Again, these are flowers with butterflies, and this one fruits with flowers, and this one is a bit in smaller size. So they have bunches and some separate fruits as well, just to layer. And then the next one here is the tags and tickets, and these ones are amazing as well, perfect for journals as well, or just layering your tags. Beautiful arrangements can be done with these, and these are all pre-cut for you. Isn't it great? Okay, now let me show you the next collection which I bought. This video is all about collections this time. I couldn't resist using all the new paper packs. The next one is Poppy Garden. I have also ordered the embossed die cuts to go with it. Let me show you the embossed die cuts first. So these ones have some animals and these beautiful red color poppy flowers. It's not really red, it's a mix of red and orange, like mostly like a coral color. And then we have these beautiful nature sceneries, honeybees, some cats, birds, arrangement of books with flowers, some pots, bicycle. Look at this cute puppy. So pretty. You can just make beautiful arrangements out of them. I also ordered some pre-made card basics for you so that I can inspire you with some of these quick cards with these gorgeous papers. Now that's the Poppy Garden 12 by 12, and it's really to die for. Look at the color combinations they have given. They are so pretty. These are just to die for. Nature sceneries. These are in small 4 by 4 and perfect for making some mats, some card bases, some card decorations, as well as some pop-ups. I love all of these. And the back here is a sky blue color. Then we have this big picture of a hut or a house, I would say, with beautiful poppy field. Amazing. Then we have these cute crates with poppies and a small vase with a mouse in it. This one has honeybees, and beetles and butterflies. If you are a bug being like a person, then it's a perfect one for you. And then who can resist this newspaper print? I love this. The color combinations are just so pretty. And then we have the beautiful birds. This one again, we have some sheets which can be used for tags, tag making, some sentiments and some borders. Amazing. And then at the back, poppy field. Amazing. This is so pretty. This color and the vibrant look of it is just amazing. And then we have a scenery. This can be easily made to make a Z-fold cards, perfect for cutting and then just folding and putting a card together. Really pretty. It's like working into a scenery or a nature retreat. I love this. Now, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. We still have two more to show. So let me put this aside for you. The next one is this beautiful strawberry friends. It's called strawberry friends, and this has this combinations. They have mouse and these goose, I guess, and there's a boy mouse and the girl mouse carrying strawberry baskets. It's really cute. And then they have these cupcakes with strawberry, and the butterfly has strawberry patterns as well. I've never seen anything like that before. And then we have mushrooms, the red mushrooms, and this floral pattern with this curly rose flower. I just love it. And they are just riding a scooter, and then a boot, beautiful boot with flowers, a fence, and a cute house. I love this beautiful critters here. And then let me just show you the paper pack. So this one here is red, black, and peach, and yellows and greens. And then they have the 3x4 small tags here, can be used for matting or just standalone cards. And then strawberry field, and then polka dot. This is a beautiful house. I guess we can put a mouse inside, and then it will be a beautiful peekaboo card. Look at this flower pattern. I love these bouquets. And then we have different sizes of postcards or tags and tickets, and they can be used as borders or even matted. Then we have strawberry and fence with beautiful flowers in middle and a pink and white watercolor background. And we have a mouse trail, can be used as backgrounds or borders. Their favorite one, the Paper Studio, they always have something like this, tickets and cards sheet. So this one is asymmetrical. The different sizes of cards and tickets are showcasing this sheet, and then this one here, like a stripy pattern, and then they repeat themselves. So let me know in the comments which of the three ones is your favorite collection. All of them are quite bright, but still they have this vintagey look to it. The last paper is the rainbow wood. This goes very well with the rainbow garden collection. You can check that out. I ordered them in the month of February and March, I guess. So they have a lot of papers and the variety in rainbow twirl and rainbow garden. So you can check that out. It's a beautiful paper, and these can be amazingly used to break some patterns or even as complement with any paper pack. Actually, they has this wood patterns, so this can be used as a layout background, and maybe you can cut these strips out and use them with different colors of your choices papers or cardstocks, and just pack it up with black cardstock, and then you are ready with beautiful backgrounds for your cards. Look, these are all rainbow colors, and the patterns are a little bit different. They're very similar to each other, but yet different. This is more in a peacock theme, and then grungy as well as vintagey. So they have very subtle differences, but very unique at the same time. I love this pattern paper, and I had my eye on this for a long time. So this time I bought this one. So then the papers repeat themselves, and hoping to combine this with Rainbow Garden collection. Now let me show you the other card bases that I got. So Paper Studio has come up with different designs in card bases. So this one is a window trifold card base. This card base here is 4 1/4 in breadth, and in length is 5 1/2. And then they have one score line done for you, and the other one is like this, and then you can just fold it out. So there we have a tri fold base. So that's the card base which you can decorate, and already the window frame is done for you. So they have 10 pieces in one pack. So it says 10 rectangle window trifold card base is 300 GSM. They also have in some other size as well. You can go and check it out. The other one is the oval shape window, and this one again it has 10 oval window frame. Okay, so that's the card bases. And then I got the Polaroid frames. This they have three variety in Polaroid frames, so I've got two of them. So this one is the smaller one. This is 2.5, the bigger one, by 2 3/4, and the smaller one is 1 1/4 by 1 5/8 inch. Okay, that's the Polaroid frame. And then the bigger one, this has a stitched border to it as well. This one is 4 inches by 3 inches, so you can use by 3 by 4 journal cards given in the paper packs to make it out a Polaroid frame. It's gonna look really good. And then they have these banners and then washi tape sticker kind of thing, which you can use to stick the make a effect to sticking your Polaroid frames to different cards, right? And then this one here is photopolymer crystal clear stamps. This was in a clearance and it's almost like discontinued product, but I bought the tickets die and stamp before, so I thought this can be a good addition to that line. So you can see this, I hope it's less clear here. So they have all four flower stamps in this one. So these are 1 inch by 1 1/4, 1 inch by 1 1/4, small cute squares or rectangles I would say. And so that's my haul for this month. I hope you like all the products. All the links for these products will be in the description box below. If you want to buy any of those, you can just go on those links and buy from there or visit their website. I hope you like all the products. Which one is your favorite? Do let me know in the comments, and also what you would like me to make with these so that I can make some tutorials for you. This is Priyanka on behalf of Paper Rose Studio. See you soon next time.